This is Sea Lover's main electrical panel. We recently changed the way we had this set up here. We've had this WEMA gauge adapter for a while. It allows us to see. This is our holding tank. This is the water tank. That is the under keel fuel tank, and that is the under cockpit fuel tank. So we could monitor all of our tanks from there. But decided to add a couple of hour meters and a safety alarm, as well as a switch for the blower motor. We added a relay that will allow the blower to turn on automatically when we turn the ignition on for the engine. But we have the ability with that switch to override the blower and turn it off if we don't want to listen to it. But we move the blower to extract the air just above the alternator, hoping that'll help cool it some. We'll find out pretty soon. But with this panel, I was able to mount a bunch of stuff in there on a wood strip, right? So it gave us a lot more room, a lot more access to the wiring, and it was just a fun little thing to do while we were here in the yard. Maureen did the cutout, and I, finished it off and put in the hinge and did the wiring, and another project complete for Sea Lover.